Okay, this is team defense. If you want to see what defense is all about, this is what it's all about at the highest level. All too often, players at a young level, they're trying to gamble and go for steals. That's, what coaches call false hustle. Against good teams, you're not going to get steals. This is how you're going to get stops. Right now, one of the things I want you to do is watch the perimeter players deny and then also get in a position to contest the back cut as well. Right here, number 14 has to fight over the top and deny because if his guy catches the ball, he's going to be able to turn the corner. Look how number 11 shows help because 14 was a little bit out of a position. Now we've got a great hedge. The big is under control where they can't split. Everybody rotates to the paint, helps them out. Look at the closeout with the high hands right there. If his hands aren't high at the college level, he takes that shot. But because he closeouts under control with high hands, he takes that away. Look at the commitment. There's no gamble. It's just keeping your man in front of you. This is unbelievable defense right here, and they get rewarded because everybody's in position. Pretty much Michigan just waved the white flag on that position, and that's what happens when you play great team defense. Another thing to notice, the ball never got to the paint. They protected the paint, which is why they were able to force a turnover or a bad shot.